Which BDSM set is great for couples who are complete beginners? Today I'm going to be showing you some BDSM sets, highly recommended, and to get your BDSM journey started. There are lots of BDSM sets out there that are perfect for beginners. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 sets which are perfect for beginners and a perfect introduction to the world of BDSM. These are perfect for those who have little to no experience and are very curious about starting BDSM themselves or with a partner. So today I'm going to be showing you the Sexy Surprise Egg from Lovebox, the first Kinky Experience Starter Set from Lovebox, and also the Black Fantasy Secret Pleasure Chest set. The Secret Pleasure Chest collection has a variety of different sets with lots of BDSM products. If we take a look at the Sexy Surprise Egg first, it contains 14 different products which range from cock rings, blindfolds, handcuffs, lots of different toys to use with your partner. So this is what the Sexy Surprise Egg actually looks like. If we remove the ribbon at the back, we're now going to crack open the egg. Inside reveals an array of different products, perfect for BDSM. As we can see here, we have bondage rope. It's very soft and adjustable as well, so you can tie your partner up. We also have some challenge cards. This can be a great way to get to know your partner and enjoy BDSM as well. We also have a mini feather tickler, an anal plug, and a massage candle, and so much more. Why not take a look at the website yourself and take a look at what's included in this fantastic set. Now let's take a look at the first Kinky Starter Set. This contains a fantastic array of 9 different products included. Let's take a look inside. So in this set, you'll find everything you need to start a fantastic BDSM experience with your partner. There's a variety of different toys in here, from bondage tape to a massage candle that smells like wild orchids. There's lots of other things, including a feather tickler to heighten your senses during use, and also a mini flogger, which you can use to whip your partner and enjoy the tantalizing sensations. Also included is a handy user manual. This tells you all the do's and don'ts in BDSM and shows you what to use and how to use it as well. It gives an introduction into the world of BDSM as well, making it really helpful for you. And last but not least, the last set I'm going to show you is the Secret Pleasure Chest Black Fantasy set. As mentioned before, they have lots of different other BDSM sets available, perfect for couples and for beginners too. Let's take a look inside. So in this set, I'm going to show you just a few bits which are included in this set. Starting with a flogger. Now this is a bit bigger than the Kinky set. It has a good handle, so it provides a really good grip, and you can whip your partner and enjoy fantastic sensations. The material also feels soft and comfortable as well, so although it will tingle the skin, it will also feel super comfortable. Here we have a pair of adjustable handcuffs. These are perfect. It's got a plush material on the inside, so it doesn't irritate the skin, and they're also able to come apart like so as well. So you can attach them to your partner or leave them loose as well. The choice is up to you. We also have adjustable nipple clamps with a little bell on them, making them a little bit cute, but at the same time also a great way to explore BDSM. And we also have bondage rope, which is very soft and smooth. You can tie your partner up with this bondage rope and enjoy a fantastic experience. There's lots of fantastic BDSM starter sets to choose from. Now it's up to you. Which BDSM set is the right start for you? Did you find this video helpful? Why not check out our other FAQ videos in this collection? Do you have a question for us? Why not write it down below and we'll check it out for you.